Trains are long-term investments and often runs for decades. It is important to keep it well maintained and upgraded to reduce downtime, giving more comfort to customers and safety reasons. As machineries are becoming smarter with various sensors, railways are also not far behind. A single train have hundreds of sensors which collects data. Companies are collecting those data and they manually analyze, and many of times ignored due to priority. Our AI software for sensor-based data analytics analyzes those data and give meaningful insights in these data to make smarter decisions. Collecting sensor data and doing conditional monitoring is past. The future is preventive and predictive analytics. Tvarit with its team of data scientists has developed AI software which takes domain input as all sensor data and build model which can predict the failures, maintenance requirements, recommending personalized services to passengers, comfort of passengers, and most importantly, safety of passengers. APA has been optimized for machines and sensors specifically. APA supports various SQL, NoSQL-based data sources like Elasticsearch, InfluxDB, Hadoop, even plugins for Oz S3 buckets, Azure buckets. All information about your machinery needs to be filled here. User can fill in the information about each column, that is the parameter, in this page. You can choose a task, like training the model on historical data. Predicting on future data, root cause analysis of incident etc. from this page. That's all. Now, you can simply click on See Output to create a dashboard where you can plot graphs and create tables to show the comparison between actual incidents versus predicted ones, the accuracy of the model, and also view the root cause analysis.